Alright. Kamusta po sa lahat? Can you comment down below if saan pong country kayo ngayon and sino po yung nagpapasok sa inyo sa Zoom na 'to? Ayan. Kasi guys, at least alam ko lang 'no, sino yung mga kausap ko, saan kayo nakikinig right now. Kasi dito sa Philippines, I'm right now in the Philippines, it's already 11:59 PM. Wow! Sa mga gising pa na nasa Pinas, maraming salamat po for waiting. Ayan, meron dito from KSA, nakita sa FB, Coach David, watching from Lebanon, Saudi, wow, Abu Dhabi, worldwide yung mga attendees natin guys. Abu Dhabi, Singapore, Qatar, Kuwait, LA Gan, wow, from Iligan. UAE, Abu Dhabi, Coach Marge, Nueva Vizcaya, Coach Kurt from UAE, Romania, wow. Philippines, Dubai, Israel, Dubai, Riyadh, Mindanao, South Cotabato, wow, nice. From Kuwait, si Coach JL, Turks and Caicos. Tama ba yung pagka-pronounce ko, guys? Abu Dhabi, wow, parami tayo ng parami. From Canada, alright. Thailand, Cagayan de Oro, hindi tayo matatapos sa parami tayo ng parami tonight. Alright, yan. Keep the comments going, guys. At least makita ko lang kung sino yung andito. So tonight, guys, pag-uusapan natin on how to start your forex trading journey. Maybe, no, andito kayo kasi meron dito na scam, okay? Hold on, wait lang po, kasi baka marami kasi nagtatanong sa akin, yun talaga yung impression ko, always, yun yung impression yung mga tao around me. MJ, yung ginagawa mo ba invest? Mag-i-invest ba ako sa'yo? Tapos bibigyan mo ba ako ng profit or interest? Okay, number one, just to make it clear, we do not accept any investments here. Okay? Hindi po kami nagpapasabay trade. Okay? Pero tonight, pag-uusapan natin on how you will develop your forex trading skill. Okay? Instead mag-invest ka sa ibang tao, ibigay mo yung pera sa ibang tao, how about ikaw mismo matuto, no? Kahit hindi ka magaling sa math, kahit wala kang maraming monitor diyan, at kahit wala kang malaking kapital, okay? Kasi guys, just like you, few years ago, 2018, na-encounter ko din 'tong ganitong, pagkakakitaan, no? It's one way of really learning a new skill and earning dollars on the side, no? Pero I didn't see myself doing this kasi sabi ko, hindi naman ako matalino, I'm not good with math, hindi naman malaki yung kapital ko, pangmayaman lang 'yan, 'di ba? Ang dami kong doubts, ang dami kong takot, ang dami kong fears. But okay, anong nangyari? Pumasok pa din ako and the rest was history, okay? So, share ko sa inyo mamaya guys, but siguro ito lang yung, favor ko sa inyo. Number one, just keep your minds open, 'no? Wala naman sigurong mawawala kasi andito ka na, 'no? Matututo tayo tonight, okay? Okay ba sa inyo? Excited ba kayo matuto para kumita? Okay, pangalawa, favor ko lang din kung may mga bad experiences kayo, kalimutan niyo muna 'yon, 'no? Kasi no matter how big the blessing will be given to you, 'no? 'Pag parang palad natin, 'pag nakasarado 'yan kahit gaanong anong blessing ibigay ni Lord sa atin, daming pera, blessing, abundance sa life, pero 'pag nakasarado 'yan, wala talagang papasok. But once our heart and mind, our soul are open, yung mga baggages natin, kalimutan natin muna yung mga kaaway natin, yung mga problema natin, and just give your full attention on this. And hopefully, eto yung isa sa rason na masarap yung Christmas natin. Okay? Advance Merry Christmas pala sa atin, guys. Months na, no? And last but not the least, please do find a good internet connection or mag-load ka na sa data mo kasi mamaya ilalak na namin yung meeting, baka ma-out ka bigla, hindi ka makapasok. That's the reason why. And please tapusin nyo from start until the end kasi meron akong bonus na ibibigay sa inyo. Pero para lang sa mga nakatapos, okay? Kasi baka hindi mo natapos, di mo maintindihan, no? Di mo ma-maximize yung bonus natin. All right? So, okay. I'll just pull up my slides, guys, for a while. Ayan. There you go. Okay. I hope clear sa inyo. Ayan. Okay, ayan. So again, I welcome you to our intro and cheat codes and for us to learn more about forex trading. So just a quick recap, guys, and konting introduction na din sa community natin. By the way, we are Pinoy Traders Community. We are founded by Coach Nars Paraguya, and also I'm one of the leaders and coaches in this community, no? So yung community ko din po under Pinoy Traders Community is Traders Nation PH. Okay? Ito yung recent activity natin, guys, sa Cagayan de Oro, wherein we are partnered with VT Markets, no, sa event na to. So sobrang ganda, sobrang successful, and it's really a blessing, no, na merong community. But don't worry kasi as you can see, marami dito from Canada, OFW. Eto, guys, sa community ng Pinoy traders, 90% OFW. Again, 90% OFW. Can you type OFW in the comment? Baka kasi sabihin ng iba dito na ay hindi pala to para sa akin kasi mostly dapat pala magkikita-kita, kailangan pala face to face. Guys, again, our community are mostly OFWs. Okay, wait lang kasi may nagdo-drawing. So, naiintindihan namin yung concern when it comes sa time, kung ano yung mga common na mga pinagdadaanan ding ng mga OFW, no, when it comes to learning forex trading. So don't worry kasi this is really fit for everyone, okay? Now, by the way, yung speaker niyo po ngayon is ang pangalan is MJ Canoy, and you can see me on Facebook, YouTube, meron din po. I've been in the industry since 2018, no? Yan po yung background natin. I'm an entrepreneur as well. Quick background. Paano ko ba nakita si Forex? Just like you guys, I don't know when was the last or first time yung na-encounter si Forex, but mine was not good. Just to be transparent, yung first encounter ko nung pumasok ako sa Forex trading industry 2018, di ko po alam, scam pala yun. Okay? There was a person, a friend who invited us na meron daw siyang kakilala na magaling na forex trader na nagpapa-invest tapos may monthly interest. So of course, I'm an entrepreneur. Gusto ko na tumatakbo yung pera kahit less lang yung effort ko, 'di ba? Gusto natin 'yon. Easy money, tama? Gusto natin yung money works for us agad, tama? Pero ang nangyari, guys, I think after a year, it was found out na ang nangyari is front lang pala niya si Forex. Ang ginawa niya, pinaikot lang niya pala yung pera, nabola bigla yung magaling na trader, and it turned out to be a scam. However, it became a blessing in disguise. Halos kami lahat ngayon na traders sa forex industry or siguro yung iba din sa crypto, most of them nagsimula na scam. Okay? May blessing pa din. It was not a good experience kasi almost umabot na talaga yun, guys, sa umabot na talaga na may mga case na ganyan. Sakit sa ulo, okay? Ganun siya ka hindi magandang experience. Pero dahil doon, mas nag-research ako, mas nag-study ako, no? Only to find out that forex trading is really really legit. It's just that you need to be careful who you are dealing with. You need to be careful on the platforms, on the mga pasikot-sikot, no? Kasi maraming magte-take advantage. Alright? So, kaya guys, sa atin dito, isa din yan sa isi-share namin sa inyo on how to spot red flags para wala na pong ma-scam, no? Sa atin dito. Alright? Now, papakilala ko lang yung family ko, guys. My mother pala is a public school teacher by profession. Yung father ko is an OFW. Kaya again, saludo po ako sa lahat ng mga OFW dito na talagang nagsasakripisyo para sa pamilya nila, no? Yung father ko started going abroad when I was 10 years old. So, can you just imagine guys, 10 years old until now, yung tatay ko po nasa abroad pa, no? And because of their sacrifices, yung brother ko naging licensed engineer, ako graduate din, and also I'd like to highlight my partner which is Coach Marge, no? So, bakit ko sinishare sa inyo to guys? Sila yung naging motivation ko to really embrace forex trading. Ayaw ko na sana, pero of course, I want a good life and alam ko may pera sa forex trading. That is why I still embraced the journey. Kasi ayaw ko na ma-experience na lahat kami may pera nga, pero hiwa-hiwalay naman. Yung tipong, yung nanay ko na andito sa Pinas, yung tatay ko nasa abroad. If mag-a-abroad ako at yung brother ko, imagine, yung tanong ko always sa utak ko growing up is, kailan kaya kami mabubuo ng dahil sa pera? Have you asked that to yourself? Kailan kaya mabubuo yung pamilya mo? Kasi yung only talaga na reason diyan is pera, eh, 'di ba? So, tanong ko, ano kayong best way to earn money this time? Okay? Because I really wanna have quality time for them. And guys, as you are entering this journey, again, as you are entering this journey, I wanted you to find out your reason why. Kasi pag pumasok ka na dito, it's not going to be easy. It's going to be, I can say na it's going to be very challenging, but it's gonna be very, very worth it. And always remember the reason why you started. Kasi dito, habang tumatagal, lalong sumasarap, no? Pero kung bago ka pa lang tapos trip-trip mo lang, yung feeling mo is okay lang, baka hindi ka magtagal dito. Okay? Hindi ko naman tinatakot yung karamihan dito. But what I'm just telling you is know your reason why. And my reason why is my family. Again, I wanna have quality time with them. Can you type QL, quality time, sa chat box, guys? Bakit ko nasabi, no? Simple lang. Bakit mo gustong kumita ngayon? Maybe you're the type of person right now na you wanted to retire early. Pagod ka na sa pag-a-abroad kasi until now wala pa ding ipon, 'di ba? Or ang dami mo ng may pera ka nga, marami akong kakilala dito, may pera, maraming pera, pero ang challenge is they don't have time for their family. Marami silang na-miss out na birthdays, special occasion, Christmas, just to spend time with their family, no? Guys, eto lang masasabi ko. Mahirap man, masakit man, but kailangan natin bilisan. Kasi bakit? Kahit anong dami ng pera mo, 'pag wala na yung taong mahal mo at the end of the day, hindi makakabili ng oras yung dami ng pera. Kaya maganda this time, aralin natin 'to, okay? Now, guys, again, disclaimer, we do not accept any investment here, okay? And whatever results I'm gonna share to you later on, we do not guarantee future profits, no? Past profits doesn't guarantee future profits, okay? Now, bakit ayaw namin magpa-invest? Again, we wanted you to learn. Aaralin natin. This is the skill for the rich, no? Marami akong mga nakakausap na mga OFW, kaya din napadpad sila dito, napunta sila dito, kasi yung mga amo nila is nagfo-forex din. Grabe, no? Usually from the Middle East, mga local sa Middle East, nagte-trading talaga. Kaya no wonder sobrang yaman nila. Okay? Now, also, can you just imagine, guys, each of every Filipino family may alam na kung paano mag-trade. Not just sa forex, siguro magsisimula ka sa forex, but later on pag may idea ka na, almost the same lang sa financial markets. Malaki kasi, may crypto, may stock, may bonds, treasury, 'di ba? At ang pinakamalaki talaga is si forex trading. Imagine if lahat ng Pinoy alam na mag-trading. Grabe siguro, guys. When I went to Singapore last time, Alam niyo ba kahit yung mga nagtitinda ng mga nasa gilid lang, yung mga small store owners, makikita mo talaga na pagka-open ng cellphone nila, "Uy, nagte-trade 'to, habang habang kumakain sa coffee shop." So, imagine 'no, hindi na tayo magbibigay ng pera sa ibang tao kundi tayo na magte-trade sa sarili natin. And eventually teach the people around us, yung anak mo, yung kapatid mo, na paano sila mag-start sa journey nila dito, okay. Now next, okay, pag-uusapan natin pala guys, dalawa, the basic forex and the cheat codes, okay. Now, I have a question for you. Puwede niyo bang masagot 'to ng yes or no? Is forex risky, yes or no? Can you comment down? Just be honest 'no, what do you think? Yes, 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 yes. Guys, no sugarcoat, yes. Kaya sa simula pa lang dami ko ng mga dami ko ng sinasabi sa inyo na baka matakot kayo, pero guys, hindi 'to para sa mahihina ang loob. Hindi 'to para sa mga tao na maraming excuses sa buhay. Hindi 'to para sa mga tamad. Hindi 'to para sa mga tao na again, ayaw mag-take risk. We truly understand that this is not for everyone. And if you feel so right after watching this, feel free to leave the chance to learn. Walang problema yon kasi naiintindihan namin hindi lahat para dito. Okay? Because this is really risky. However, what I want you to understand is pwedeng ma-minimize yung risk kasi forex is risky but it can be very, very rewarding. Paano ma-minimize yung risk? 'Pag may alam ka na, 'pag naaral mo na. May tinatawag tayo ditong risk management, isa din 'yan sa ituturo, 'di ba? I mean in everything, 'no? 'Pag nagda-drive ka, 'no, 'pag nagda-drive ka, alam mo na ba agad lahat? Hindi. Pero once alam mo na, kahit ang tagal mo ng nag-drive ng kotse or motor, alam mo pa din kung paano. Or ganito guys, take this for example, sa mga OFW dito, katulad ng tatay ko, risk ba mag-abroad? Yes or no? What do you think? Risk ba mag-abroad? Sa akin yes. Kasi bakit? Hindi mo alam kung anong nag-aantay sa'yo. Okay ba yung amo mo? Okay ba yung place na pagtatrabahuan mo? 'Di ba, yung mga kasama mo, okay ba? 'Di ba, kasi lalo na mga kung eto, isa sa mga talagang medyo risky yung mga nasa barko kasi di natin alam yung nangyayari diyan, right? Pero what I want you to understand is, bakit mo pa din ginagawa? Kasi alam natin na kung dito lang tayo sa Pilipinas, magkano lang yung kikitain natin. Alam mo delikado, alam mo walang seguridad, alam mo ang daming risk, pero you still took the chance kasi alam mo it's very rewarding. Same thing here, 'no? Same thing here. Kailangan lakasan mo yung loob mo kasi sobrang laki yung puwedeng kitain mo dito. 'Pag naintindihan mo na yung power, yung potential na kikitain sa forex, naku, as in, sabi ko nga, nag-uusap kami ni Coach Marge kanina, grabe 'no, kung talagang nakita 'to ng mga tao, naintindihan 'to nila, yung tipong 1 buwan, 2 buwan, 3 buwan na sahod, puwedeng isang araw lang, may mga gano'n guys, as in 'no. No, papakita ko sa inyo 'yan mamaya. Now, pero it's just really sad that 95% of the new traders fail simply because number one, insufficient education and knowledge. Maraming pumapasok sa forex trading guys na walang alam, no? Hindi sila nag-aaral only, no, to find themselves out na nag-lose na sila, nasunugan na sila, and they eventually quit. Simply because, again, ginawang sugal si forex trading. Guys, dito kailangan aralin. Okay? Now, okay. Pero, okay, MJ, na-mention mo na sugal 'no, may chance ba na ano ba 'yan, sugal ba si trading, ano ba yung kalakaran ni forex trading? Guys, kaklaruhin ko lang muna, okay? Forex trading is legit, okay? Simply because it's the backbone, guys. It's the backbone of the economy in each country. Kung wala pong palitan ng pera, ano yung currency ng US, no? Buy and sell of currencies kasi to, guys. Foreign exchange, forex, okay? Dollars. Anong currency ng Japan? Yen. Anong currency ng Canada? Canadian dollars. Guys, hindi po scam si Forex. Possible, may mga tao lang, may mga platforms lang na scam kung wala ka talagang alam. Okay? Pero guys, kailan mawawala si Forex? Mawawala lang po si Forex pag nag-World War III na or nag-crash na yung economy ng buong bansa. As in siguro. Or probably if wala nang fiat money, no? Kung wala o lahat na ano na crypto na. Ganun lang guys yung chance na mawawala si Forex. And also, in addition na na-mention ko kanina, hindi po gambling si Forex, no? As long as gumagamit ka ng proper knowledge, mga strategies, risk management, and hindi lang po hulalisis yung nangyayari. Pag nangyari na yung hulalisis na yan, hula-hula lang. Pag buy, buy lang, sell, sell lang. No? Or yung pacham strategy, ano yung pacham? Pachamba strategy, dyan na pumapasok na nagiging gambling si Forex. Guys, si Forex, meron po yung basis, economic data, volume ng mga buyers and sellers. Kaya meron siyang logic, meron siyang analysis, meron kang gagawin na market analysis, meron siyang strategic risk. Meaning, if ginawa mo siyang gambling, wala kang idea paano, malabo yun. Pure luck yung nangyayari sa'yo. Kaya dapat, again, aaralin. Okay? Klaro tayo dyan. Now, bakit maganda si Forex? Simply because, number one, it's digital. Guys, si Forex, again, is a buy and sell of currencies. And ang maganda sa kanya, it's pandemic proof, no? Dati kasi, yung mga big banks, early 90s, before 90s, big banks are only allowed to trade in the market. Here comes 90s, no? Nung pumasok na sa 90s, ang mga big institutions are already allowed as well. But it was only on the 2000, early 2000s, dun na napayagan or napapasok ang mga retail traders. Sino ba tong mga retail traders? Tayo yun, individuals. Ang kagandahan lang is nasabayan tayo ng technology. Nasabayan tayo ng may internet na, may laptop na, may cellphone na, kaya pwede mo na siyang magawa anytime, anywhere. Nagbabakasyon ka, 'di ba? And guys, again, pandemic proof. Whatever happens, you can still trade. Okay? And again, flexible ang lifestyle. 'Di ba? Kung nakapunta kayo ng Bali, hindi pa naman ako nakapunta doon, but mostly naririnig ko, marami ding mga traders na tumatambay doon. Yung mga foreigners na, alam mo yung mga digital nomads, 'di ba? Tambay-tambay lang sila sa iba't ibang country, gumagala-gala lang, akala mo nagbabakasyon lang, pero doon din pala sila nagte-trade, no? Kasi they can just bring or they can just trade anywhere, anytime. Okay? Ang maganda dito is kung OFW ka, kung empleyado ka, you can do it at your free time. Hindi po necessary na 24 hours kang nakatutok sa market. Okay? Kasi dati akala ko talagang dapat may 3 monitor, dapat talaga nakatutok 24/7. Hindi po, no? Meron pong mga strategies and meron pong klase-klase ng mga traders sa market na different din yung approach nila. Meron nga dito, 5 minutes lang pwede ka nang kumita eh. Okay? Meron tayong master trader na yun talaga yung gamay niya, which is ang tawag doon is scalping. Okay? Number 3, low startup cost. Hindi necessary pang mayaman lang si Forex. You can start even with $100 to $200. Magkano lang naman yun? Nasa 5,000 to 10,000 pesos yung kapital mo. Pwede na yon. Okay? Next, high earning potential. Guys, meron tayo kahapon. Papakita ko sa inyo. From UAE. Yung kinita lang naman niya kahapon nasa around 300,000 plus. Imagine, 300,000. Isang araw, OFW. Grabe. Can you just imagine, 1 month pa lang yun. Magto 2 months na pala sa community natin. No, again, last but not the least is no experience needed. Hindi po kailangan matalino ka sa math, hindi po kailangan advance ka na, hindi po kailangan na may experience ka na sa trading. No. As long as you are still open for learnings, as long as you are still willing to learn, this is really best for you. Walang age na tinitingnan, walang gender na tinitingnan, as long as gusto mong matuto, pwedeng-pwede. Alright? So what is Forex, by the way? Again, na-mention ko na ito pa ulit-ulit. Forex is foreign exchange. Okay? Buy and sell or palitan ng mga pera or currencies. Guys, sabi ko nga, 'di ba? Sa financial markets, merong crypto. Legit po si crypto, ha? Si stock trading, legit din yan. Si bonds and treasury, and si Forex. Among all, at the moment as we speak, even if i-research niyan guys, nasa around 7.3 to 7.5 trillions of dollars yung tinitrade araw-araw. Hindi yearly, hindi monthly, hindi weekly. 7 trillions every single day. Of all dun sa financial markets, ang pinakamalaki po is si Forex. Okay? Global market. And guys, it's the most liquid business in the world. Ibig sabihin, sabi ko nga, yung labas at pasok ng pera, sobrang laki. Okay? Kaya ito guys, be very careful with this. No? You can spot a red flag sa mga ganito. No? Pag merong mga nagsasabi sa iyo na mag-invest ka sa Forex, tapos after a month, after 2 months mo pa makukuha yung pera, tapos may certain interest ka after 1 month, tsaka mo pa mawiwid yung pera mo, medyo kabahan ka na konti nun. Kasi guys, pag legit yung platform mo, pag legit yung broker mo, kahit mag-deposit ka ngayon, maya-maya i-withdraw mo, pwede mo yang i-withdraw. There is no such thing as holding time. But there will be 3 to 5 days, of course, for it to reflect banking days sa bank natin or GCash. Ganun yung nangyari. Pero kung sasabihin sa'yo na may ginagawa akong Forex, after a month or 2 mo pa pwedeng i-withdraw, papatubuin mo muna, hahayaan mo muna, ganyan, medyo red flag yun. Okay? Dapat pwede mong ma-withdraw anytime. Okay? Now, another thing, we are using MetaTrader 5. No? Yung platform po natin is MetaTrader 5 or others use MetaTrader 4. No? Pero sa atin, sa community natin, mostly we use MetaTrader 5. That's a very, very legit platform. And we are connected with VT Markets. But guys, wag muna kayong magpunta sa VT Markets kasi each coaches na naka-assign sa inyo, meron po silang certain link. Okay? May certain link po sila na connected sa VT Markets that you can get bonuses later on. Okay? In addition with that, no, si Forex market po, it operates 24/5. Pag weekend, ang meron lang po are CFDs, yung mga crypto, no? Meron tayong BTC USD, may mga Solana, ganyan. Meron din yan dito sa Forex. Okay? Kasi malakas si Forex eh. Merong indices. Ano yung sa indices? Si US 30. Meron ding commodities. Pwede kang mag-trade ng oil dito. Pwede kang mag-trade ng gold. Kaya common, very common na pair talaga ngayon is XAU USD. Okay? And ang very good thing guys, since very timely ngayon na nasabayan natin yung technology, it's available in any smart devices. Okay? Now, also, nasabi ko na to kanina, napakaswerte natin. Kasi ito yung mga nagtitrade lang dati. Government, central banks, financial institution. And right now, you are very, very blessed. Lahat tayo very blessed, no? Kasi we are already allowed as individuals or retail traders to trade in the market as well. Okay? Kaya congratulations kasi nakita mo na 'to. So ito yung pinaka-basic, very traditional way of forex guys, foreign exchange, 'di ba? Pagpapasok ka ng Pilipinas, hindi mo puwedeng gamitin yung dollars mo to buy, foods or mga groceries here, tama, anything. Kailangan mong papalitan 'yan. Yung nangyayari na palitan diyan, that's foreign exchange kasi that's fiat money, 'di ba? Even the banks trade, okay? So, ito yung pinaka-traditional way, okay? Now, eto, for example, if you have a dollar account or meron ka ng save ka ng dollars, if at that time naabutan mo pa na 50 pesos si US dollar, ngayon around 56 to 58, tama? Imagine if meron kang $1,000 at 50 pesos, siguro right now nasa around 6,000 to 8,000 pesos in profit ka na, 'di ba? Usually money changer, yun yung way of business nila. However, if the price goes down, will you still make money? Okay? Will you still make money? On the traditional way, mahirapan ka, okay? Kasi alangan naman binili mo ng mas mahal tapos i-exchange mo ng mas mura. However, in the global sense, no? In the global sense, sa global market, yes, you can still earn even if the price goes down because meron tayong tinatawag guys na buy position and sell position. Okay, take note of this. You can do a screenshot para mas maintindihan nyo. Kasi dati, akala ko pag nakapula, talo na, 'di ba? Sabi ko, pula, talo na. Pag nakita ko na yung pula-pula, sell na 'yan. Akala ko talo na. Hindi pala, guys, okay? Ito pala yung explanation diyan. When you are anticipating or you are forecasting, nakikita mo that the market will go up, yung position mo is buy, no? Fino-forecast mo, eto, tataas to. So, buy yung position na ginagawa natin dyan. Okay? However, if you forecast that the market will be going down, dun ka magsisell. Okay? Take note of this kasi mamaya magtatanong ako sa inyo. But you will also have the time to ask me later. Okay? Again, you are forecasting that the market is going up. Ano yon? Buy. When you are forecasting that the market is going down, it's a sell. Okay? Klaro tayo doon. Also guys, ito yung mga forex major currency pairings. Okay? Palitan ng Euro, USD, British Pound, USD. Most of the major currency pairings are paired with USD if you notice. Okay? Also, sabi ko sa inyo, ito yung forex currency. Okay? Pairings. Baka magtaka kayo, ano yung US 30? Ano yung naririnig ko na US 30? US 30 is the top 30 companies in the US. Meron pala yun? Pwede pala yun sa Forex? Yes. It's under indices. And kung makita nyo yung pair na XAU, USD, that's under commodities, that's gold guys, no? Kasali din yan. Pwede kang mag-trade yan dito. Alright. Now, another terms to remember, you can do a screenshot on this as well, no? Take profit or TP, stop loss or SL. Okay. 'Di ba kanina nag-buy ka? Okay? Nag-buy ka sa part, kung nag-buy ka at a certain price, no? May kita nyo sa gilid guys, mamaya may mga pricing, no? Pag meron kang certain na price na gusto mong ma-hit to, yun yung tinatawag na take profit. Nag-buy ka, tapos meron kang tinatawag na take profit, it is an order na pag umabot sa price na yon, automatic nagko-close na yung trade mo, kita ka na. Okay? Bakit mo siya nasiset? Bakit mo siya siniset? Number one, kung busy ka, tapos ka nang mag-analyze sa market, no? May certain profit ka lang na tina-target. Kahit naglalaba ka, kahit nagtatrabaho ka, pagka-close nun, automatic pera ka na. Okay? Meron din tayong tinatawag na stop loss. Since calculated na din yung risk, calculated mo na yung losses mo, just in case whatever happens, the market reverses than the anticipated mo na forecast, okay lang kasi may stop loss naman na hindi na lalaki yung talo mo. Hanggang may limit lang yung talo mo. MJ, meron pa din bang talo kahit aaralin natin? Yes, but we can minimize. Bakit meron pa ding talo? Simply because guys, marami po ang buyers and sellers. Okay? Kung makikita mo, may volume, 'di ba? Ang daming bumibili, ang dami din nagbebenta. Kaya nga market eh. Ano bang Tagalog ng ano bang term ng market sa inyo? Sige nga, sa amin kasi merkado. Sa inyo ba? Other term for market. Talipapa? Ano ba? Ano ba sa inyo, guys? Hello, are you still there? Yan. Agora? Palengke. Yes. Ano pa? Ulwa. Tiyangge. Pwede. 'Di ba? Guys, yan lang din sa market. Okay? Yan lang din sa forex market. Bilihan, merkado. Ano ba yung nangyayari dyan? 'Di ba may buyer and merong seller? So sa market, sa forex market, marami ding buyers and sellers. So hindi natin kontrolado yung movement ng market. Kung magbabay ka o magsisell ka kasi maraming bumibili at nagbebenta. Kaya forex market. Okay? Now, eto guys, perfect example. Can you help me with this? Ito pala yung pricing na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Ito yung certain prices, okay? Now, every movement ng price dyan, that's what we call pip. Okay? Pip, pipit. Later on, you will know more of that no, sa mga trainings din natin. Also, question ko sa inyo, ano kaya yung ginawa ng trader na to? Nag-buy ba siya or nag-sell siya? Comment B for buy, S for sell. Nag-buy ba si trader or nag-sell? Ano sa tingin nyo? Can I see comments on the comment section para at least alam ko lang din kung andyan pa kayo. Baka yung iba dito natutulog na. Alright, thank you. Yes, klarong-klaro guys, it's a buy. Okay, ano ba yung nangyari dito? Okay, i-explain ko sa inyo. These are what we call, ito yung mga Japanese candlestick or candlestick. Okay? Each candlestick guys, may mga pangalan yan and may mga story yan. Possible na yung trader may nakita siya na pattern or siguro na-read niya na yung market, he anticipated or forecasted that the market will go up. So dito siya nag-buy position. Entry, meaning dyan siya naglagay ng posisyon. Entry, okay? Now, at price 1.098554. Pero itong apat na candlestick na to guys, hindi niya pa to nakita when he took his entry. Okay? Pero, habang gumagalaw si market, umaakyat, nung umabot dito, ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys na TP. So, sinet na to ni trader. TP1 niya is at price 1.098916. And yung isa is ganito din. So, yung stop loss niya is at this price. Guys, nakaset na. Okay? Natulog siya, kumain siya. I don't know what he did, no? Ano yung ginawa ng trader na to? Babae ba siya, lalaki ba siya? Now, ang ginawa niya dito, nung umabot yung candlestick at this certain price, automatic TP na siya. Profit na siya. Pero nilagyan niya pa ng isang TP, eto din, sinet niya, pagdating ng candlestick na to, nang nahit ng candlestick na to itong TP niya, automatic pera na naman. Okay? Now, kung nanonotice nyo guys, of course, since buy yung, yung ano niya, yung position niya, he is anticipating that the market or the trader is anticipating that the market will go up, okay? So ito yung TP niya. Pag buy, yung TP nasa taas. Pag sell, pag TP nasa taas, yung SL niya nasa baba. Okay? Pero may mga advanced na din na mga terms dito guys, yung mga trailing stop. Later on, again, you will know more of that. Pero dito guys, whatever happens, if hindi man nangyari yung inanticipate or yung forecast ng trader, meron na din siyang limit. Na whatever happens, matalo man ako, na-calculate na. Okay? Eto guys, what do you think the trader took? Is it a buy or is it a sell? Ayan, may naka-compute na, mga ilang pips na. Ayan. Ayan. There you go. Okay, yes, it's a sell. Okay? Bilis. Ganda ng mga students ko ngayon mga matatalino at mga abtik ba? Okay. Now, eto na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys. The types of market analysis. Meron akong mga students, no? Hindi pa sila talaga totally nag-enroll, nagtatanong-tanong pa lang, nagpapaturo, ganyan, 'no. Now, na-e-enjoy nila yung ano or meron talaga wala pa sine-send lang yung result nila, ito yun, tatanungin ko, "Ano yung analysis mo diyan? Ano yung strategy na in-apply mo diyan?" Tapos sasagutin ako, "Wala lang, nag-buy lang, buy lang din ako, umakyat, nag-green, nag-buy lang ako, nagpula, nag-sell lang din ako." Guys, that's hulalysis, hula-hula lang, patsamba lang. But eto yung, ano ba 'to, parang logical na pag-a-assess mo sa market. It can be fundamental, it can be technical yung approach mo or sentimental. Sa sentimental guys, madali lang 'to. Simple lang, it's used to gauge how other traders feel, no? It's kung buyer ba or seller, mararamdaman mo. Paano ba yung ibig sabihin yan? Perfect example, 'pag OFW ka, alam mo na mahal ang plane ticket 'pag Christmas. Agree or disagree? 'Di ba? Who's more in control? Ikaw, ang buyer ba or ang seller? 'Di ba? 'Pag ganyan, alam mo na tataas talaga yung pricing, 'no, kung Christmas. Tama, mali? Okay, that's sentimental. 'Pag fundamental naman, this is more of the economic data. Kung ano yung nangyayari. Ano nangyayari sa ano na 'yan, interest rates, yung I think parang Thursday or Friday ata meron na namang ano, NFP news. Yes, so isa 'yan 'no, mga non-farm payroll 'no. 'Pag sasabihing fundamental, more of news yung analysis mo. Naka-base ka sa mga balita, sa nangyayari sa country na 'yan, okay. Now, guys, you don't need to worry kasi hindi niyo naman iisa-isahin na pag-research tungkol sa nangyayari sa country na 'yan kasi marami ng mga, websites like Forex Factory na naka-compile na yung mga possible news, okay. And katulad nito kung makikita niyo guys itong pula-pula na 'to, this is what we call high impact news. Can you comment diyan HIN? Oh, 'di ba si Ayan, wow, Ayan Gatchalian, very, very active. Alam niya na kung ano yung, HIN, high impact news. 'Pag may mga nakikita kayong pula-pula diyan guys, we do not advise if you're new to trading, hindi po advisable na mag-trade kayo sa time na 'yan. Kasi the market can be very, very volatile. So for example, na-anticipate or na-forecast mo na aakyat, umakyat nga pero biglang bumaba, 'di ba? So grabe yung volatility sa mga oras na 'to. However, meron ding mga traders na gusto nila yung mga ganyan na mga senaryo, okay. Pero as you are still starting, do not attempt, 'no, to trade on those time, okay. Kung magte-trade ka man tapos nakita mo, babaan mo na lang yung tips mo or yung certain trade mo na pero kung pwede wala na talaga, okay. Now another thing, technical analysis, 'no. So technical analysis guys, wala siyang pakialam sa news, wala siyang pakialam sa economic data. Ang tinitingnan ng mga traders na focus sa technical analysis, it's more of the charts. It's more of the volume, ano yung momentum na nangyayari sa trades. Ito, for example, itong mga ganito. No, meron siyang mga patterns. Kung nagre-respect ba yung pricing, natural ba, no? Nagre-respect siya sa resistance and sa um ano 'to, nawala tuloy ako. Sa resistance and support niya, support and resistance zone niya, okay. Merong mga ganyan, 'no, merong tayong mga patterns na makikita na that can really, really help you to, have a good analysis on the market. 'Pag nakikita mo 'tong mga ganito like head and shoulders, that's, bearish 'no, bearish na pattern. 'Pag nakita mo 'tong mga ganito, that means it's giving you a hint that the market is going down, okay. 'Pag may mga ganito naman like inverted flag, still it's a bearish 'no or, buy na ano siya pattern, 'yan yung mga ifa-familiarize natin, okay. Water break muna. Yes, thank you so much. Medyo ano nga. Alright. So, guys, as you can see, ito yung sa more of sa technical analysis, okay? So may mga bullish flag. Kung makikita niyo din each of that merong mga doji candle, may mga purpose yung each candlestick na 'yan, okay? Pero I have a question for you. Andito na tayo ngayon, medyo nosebleed na konti, no? Tanong ko lang, just be honest with me. It's all right, no? Thank you, Coach March. Forex, is it complicated or not sa tingin nyo? Kasi andito na tayo sa part na to. What do you think, guys? Yes? How about the others? Wow, yung iba parang madali lang. Okay, how about the others? Yes, yes, yes. Maybe. Wow. Yes, okay. Maybe complicated, very complicated. Ang dami palang strategies. May nagsabi dito, so many strategies. Yes, okay. Guys, again, ever since we started, I have been very, very honest and transparent with you. Complicated talaga si Forex. Okay? Kaya kung hindi ka patient, wala kang heart to really learn, well, hindi ka talaga magtatagal dito. However, okay? However, meron akong good news. Do you want an easier solution? Gusto nyo bang mapadali natin to? Kasi pahirapan eh. 'Di ba? Pahirapan. Dami ko palang aayusin, magtatrabaho pa ako kaya nga pumasok ako sa webinar na 'to para mapadali natin eh, 'di ba? MJ, OFW ako, ang dami ko pang nililinis na bahay tapos bibigyan mo pa ako ng aaralin. Yes, kailangan talaga 'yon. Aaralin kasi. Pero we truly understand the concern kasi galing din kami diyan. But however, because kung ano yung forex trading ngayon, guys, it's different few years ago. 'Di ba? Ngayon, kung eto parang ganito, dati malabo yung electric cars, 'di ba? Malabo. Pero ngayon, nakikita nyo guys, ang dami ng mga hybrid. Merong gas, tapos electric, merong iba din pure electric, 'di ba? Familiar naman kayo siguro sa mga brand na 'yan. Dati pahirapan, ngayon may AI na, 'di ba? So, yes, we can do that for you. That's what yan yung isa sa reason na pag-uusapan natin yung cheat codes. Okay? Now, just a quick background guys. Bakit ako bumalik sa trading? By the way, this is Coach Nars. This is Sir Edsel. Isa din to sa tinuruan niya dati. Student niya din to dati sa e-commerce, no? Si Coach Nars, familiar siya ni Edsel. And si Edsel kasi na-interview siya sa RDR Talks. Did you know, meron lang naman siyang 26 to 28 million na utang. Sino dito may mga utang? Sino dito may mga utang? Okay lang, wala naman siguro dito yung pinag-uutangan nyo. Wag nyo lang sabihin magkano. Okay? Present. Wow. Thank you for your honesty. I pray na this year mababayaran lahat yan. Okay? Now, alam nyo ba nangyari guys? Yung 26 to 28 million na utang na yan, bayad dahil sa trading, dahil sa forex trading, at dahil sa cheat codes. Okay? Isa yan sa reason kung bakit nila na-compile si cheat codes. Okay? Kasi dati pahirapan eh. Kaya ang daming hindi nagtatagal sa forex trading kasi talagang maano ka, malulula ka, no? So the reason why din, no? The reason why na sabi ko, try ko nga, balikan ko nga si forex. Ano bang meron? Kasi sabi ko talaga, susumpa ko na to kasi na-scam ako dati, nag-enroll ako, hindi naman ako natuto, or maybe I just didn't really give time to learn. But right now, are you open for this? I will share to you the cheat code that really helped them and Coach Nars. Can you comment number 1 if open na kayo? O this time guys, focus na tayo ha kasi ito na yung solusyon na gusto kong i-share sa inyo. And this is something that really helped me. Okay? And just want to share to you, for the month of August, it's really amazing. Why? Daming kumita. As in, daming kumita and we're very, very blessed, no? Kasi month of August, nasa around 5 million to 6 million pesos po yung withdrawal ng buong community. And I'm very, very proud of that. Dahil nasa tamang community tayo. under the leadership of Coach Nars. Okay? Now, ito na yung cheat codes na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Number 1, no? Ano yung mga nakatulong sa amin? Number 1, ito yung mga trading tools. Okay? Now, we have 2 trading tools na pwedeng makatulong sa atin dito. We have the Hummingbird, the FX Forex Scanner, and the Lumens AI-driven analysis. Ano ba tong dalawang to? Number 1, okay? Si Hummingbird po, 'di ba kanina pinakita ko sa inyo may mga head and shoulders, may mga i-memorize na pattern. Ang maganda dito, guys, it's a scanner focused on XAU USD, which is gold, which is favorite ng karamihan kasi sa volatility ng movement ng pair na to. Siya na yung mag-a-analyze, siya na yung mag-scan kung ano yung nakikita niya na pattern. Imagine, kung zero knowledge ka dito, and siya na yung gagawa sa pag-analyze ng pattern para sa'yo, will that be very helpful? Yes. Kasi imagine, hindi mo na pala i-memorize yun kasi may tool ka na. Would that be an advantage? Yes. Ba't mo pa papahirapan yung sarili mo kung may mga tools na pala na ganito ngayon? Tama? And did you know that if you are familiar with harmonic patterns, if na-memorize mo yung mga patterns na yan, around 70 to 85% yung possible na win rate mo. Kasi pag bago ka, pahirapan yan. Pero pag may tools ka, mas madali mo siyang ma-identify and highly accurate, mostly on the technical analysis side. Okay, gusto nyo ba yon? Sobrang laking tulong po nitong Hummingbird na to. Okay? Na scanner siya. Okay? Another thing, we have the Lumens AI-driven analysis. Ano ba tong Lumens? Marami kasi dito, may iba mga OFW, no? Usually walang time pag weekdays, meron iba, meron naman. Pero meron tayong pwede kang mag-trade sa CFD, no? Pwede din mga crypto paired with currencies. May nagbibigay siya ng trade ideas when to buy and when to sell. Okay? Meron na din siyang, eto makikita niyo talaga guys, at what price, yan makikita niyo. And kailan yung isi-set mo na TP1, TP2, TP3 at saka SL. Imagine, lahat given na. Okay? Dalawang tools pa lang 'yon. Dalawang tools pa lang 'yon. Pero question, helpful yes or no? Malaking tulong ba? Yes, tama yung sabi ni Ayan, no? Auto-scan na, 'di ba? Now, another thing, number 2, the Academy Hub. Okay? Sino dito mga self-learned lang like YouTube? Ako guilty ako diyan, guys. Dami kong pinakinggan sa YouTube. Alam mo nangyari? Sa sobrang dami, nalito na ako. Hindi ko na alam paano magsisimula. Iba-iba din yung mga strategies every YouTuber na trader na yan. Honestly, hindi ko na alam kung ano ba yung effective talaga na strategy. But in here, aside from having the tools, number 2, we have an Academy Hub na as in basic talaga tuturuan ka from introduction sa financial markets, technical analysis in essentials, mga videos na siya na compiled na hindi ka na mahihirapan hanapin at malilito kung ano yung pagkasunod-sunod kasi ready na siya. Given na siya guys from start, from basic to advanced. Okay? Now, number 3, expert trade ideas. Ito yung isa sa pinakagusto ko guys, no? Meron tayong tinatawag na Harmony, okay? Harmony na nagbibigay din siya guys ng mga trade ideas, when to buy, when to sell, when to TP. And guys, isa din to sa nai-enjoy ng karamihan sa atin kasi mataas din yung profitability niya. Okay? So, ang maganda dyan, di ba? Kung wala ka pang confidence, ang maganda din dito guys, pwede siya sa demo. Kahit hindi pa real money, pwede mo siyang ma-backtest. Okay? And number 4, the favorite of all favorite. Ito yung pinaka na-in love ako. Ito yung pinaka nadalian ako guys. Sabi ko kasi dati, ayoko na mag-forex kasi ang daming kailangan aralin, gito, ganyan. But did you know, as I journey no, sa forex trading, hindi mo kailangan alamin lahat. You just need to know the foundations, the basics, but what will give you profitability na malaki, at least 1 to 2 strategies lang. Hindi kailangan 5 strategies, 4 na strategies, or lahat ng pairs, lahat ng ng currencies, no, na pairs is papasukin mo. Pag nag-move lang, trade ka na agad. No. 1 to 2 strategies at least 1 to 2 pairs lang na magagamay mo. And ako guys, I can really confidently say I'm very grateful for this live trading. We have a master trader named Abdallah Harfouch, very, very famous in the financial markets, especially with his strategy in the US 30 or DJ 30, no, na sobrang ganda na 5 minutes lang, 5 minutes lang, pwede mo siyang sabayan. Nagla-live siya guys, tapos sasabay ka sa kanya. Every time he tells you, buy ka, mag-sell ka. Sasabihin niya, I took the buy, I took the sell, sasabayan mo lang siya. Pero may training din siya and may Tagalog training din kami on how you will take advantage of this live trading. Okay? Sa Zoom siya guys every day. Kanina nag-live din siya, marami ding pumaldo. And one of the testimonies, isa din to, student ko na ina-assist from Canada. Tingnan niyo to guys chat namin. Name niya is Miss May. So ito yung sa VT Markets na part, no? So she started na ano lang $100. Sabi niya sa akin, message niya sa akin, "Sir, yan po naman ng VT Markets ko, US dollar. Nakasent ba or hindi?" Sabi ko, "Hindi yan nakasent." Now, may pending trade pa lang daw siya, no? So, ang nangyari guys, tiningnan ko, maagang-maaga hindi pa nga ako nagre-reply sa kanya, ayan. Di ko alam paano mag-open, wala pa, third day of trading niya pa lang. Imagine, deposit niya lang is 100, profit niya is 2,000. Pwede na ba? Third day pa lang of trading niya. 2:35 PM pa lang ako nag-reply. Grabe, sobrang ano. Now, sabi ko, standard po yan, Miss May. Magkano yung start mo? 100. Tapos yan, 1.6 na ngayon. Hindi cent. Yes, USD talaga. Sabi ko, amazing, grabe. March 16 lang siya nag-start, guys. Magto 2 months pa lang siya that time, May 16. Tsaka pa siya nag-live trading. Kasi dito, pwede ka magsimula. Demo account lang muna eh. So, third day of trading, sabi ko, alin sa cheat code? Sabi niya, kay Abdallah. Okay, kay Abdallah daw. So, grabe, whenever she gets a chance. So, ayan. So, dito, na-interchange ko lang guys Dito, made my first withdrawal. Hopefully, makarating ng maayos sa BTC wallet ko. So, hopefully, di magka-aberya. In a while, nag-message siya sa akin, "Sir, na-receive ko na po yung withdrawal ko. Ganyan, thank you very much." And may kita nyo guys, nag-withdraw siya, 940, nagsabay ulit kay Abdallah. O, di ba, kumita na naman ng isang $1,000 na naman. Grabe, no? So, it's really amazing. And another thing, guys, we have Sir Eman here, retired engineer. Imagine learning how to do this. Hindi pa yan marunong dati, guys, as in step by step pag ginagawa, as in, no? Meron tayo from UAE, a government employee from UAE, kumita lang naman ng 42,000 in just 4 hours time. Yan yung sabi ko sa inyo guys. When you enter here, I tell you, yung 1 month na sahod, 2 months na sahod, pwede talaga dito hours or minutes mo siyang kukunin. As in. Sabi ko nga, grabe, kung lahat tayo educated na how to do this, malaki yung potential ng Pilipinas na talagang mabago yung mga buhay ng mga Pinoy. We are doing nation building. And that's because of the cheat codes, guys. Lahat ng yun. Diba? Naalala nyo? Una is ano yun? Meron tayong trading tools. Okay? Pangalawa, meron tayong Academy Hub. Another thing, meron tayong expert trade ideas. Meron tayong live trading. Gusto nyo pa ba? You want more? Okay, I'll give you more. You want a bonus? Sa cheat code, guys, alam nyo guys, sobrang mahal nito. Okay? On a formal Forex class, basic course nasa 70 to 150,000. Kung alam mo talaga yung presyo ng Forex, eto po siya. Okay? Kaya nga, wag kang magtaka. Konti lang din yung mayaman dito Kasi sila lang din yung nag-i-invest sa learnings. Mayayaman lang din yung may capacity. Okay? Kaya dati, it was really tagged na si forex trading pang mayaman lang talaga. Hindi siya for everyone kasi sobrang mahal. However, you don't need to pay that much. Okay? Pag-usapan natin. Ngayon, mostly online yung academy. Gusto ko ipakita sa inyo to. May kasama tayo dito na galing dito din sa academy na to. Imagine, $1,499. May monthly pa na babayaran na $99. Yung isa nilang bundle, 1,799. Tapos monthly pa 99. Did you know, for you to access the cheat codes here in our community, you just need $159. Meron ka ng Academy Hub, meron ka na yung trading tools, meron ka na yung Academy Hub, meron ka na yung trade ideas, meron ka ng live sessions, and good news, bakit may Hero 30 ka pa? May VIP community ka pa, may group coaching ka pa, may mga bonuses pa. Now, MJ, how do I pay? Okay, you can pay credit card, debit card, Maya, or GoTime. Now, ilang months kung ma-access yung tools? Sa $159, guys, you can start with 1 month lang muna. If you wanna continue on the next month, pwede naman $99 yan. So, nasiguro sa around 9,400 yung $159. Guys, I hope this is not an issue. Kung until now, pera yung concern mo na hindi ka makapag-aral, computein mo na lang lahat ng ginastos mo from elementary to college. Tapos magkano yung nabalik. 'Di ba? Imagine, you're already working, isipin mo para ka lang nagmamasteral, isipin mo nag-enroll ka lang ulit ng isang skill na pwedeng magbigay ng pera sa'yo. Okay? Sa Elite Pack guys, $159. You can go with Gold Pack pero sa Elite Pack pa lang sulit na yan. Baka nga mahal pa yung sapatos mo. Favorite term ko yan. Baka nga mas mahal pa yung cellphone mo. Ang tanong, kailan ka last kumita dyan? Guys, I hope that amount is not an issue. Okay? But if issue mo to, then maybe this is not for you. Okay? Feel free to leave the chance to learn. Guys, eto, nag-invest ka para matuto ka. Okay? Now, eto yung bonus dyan. Sabi ko nga, sa $159 mo, libre na po si Hero 30. Did you know that if you wanna avail Hero 30 alone, that's gonna cost you around $99. But if until this week, makakapag-enroll ka na, libre na po si Hero 30. This is a dedicated 1-month Hero coach, 1-month group coaching. Okay, 30-day challenge na I hope makahabol ka kasi it was our third session kanina. Maganda mahabol mo pa. Okay? Don't worry then kasi pag hindi mo mahabol, lahat ng yon is recorded na. Okay? Kung OFW ka, hindi mo nasabayan ang live, wag kang mag-alala kasi may recording na. Okay? Now, good news guys, ito yung mga feedback ng mga students natin. Ayan, kasama pa pala ako dito. Ayan, wag lang i-highlight yung sa akin. Pero another thing, we also have another VIP signal, si Surefire, kasama na po yan once you are enrolled in our community. Okay? Ayan, mga feedback nila. And eto guys, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na pinaka-recent. We have a classmate from Canada. Her name is Miss Gemma. We have a classmate from UAE, from Abu Dhabi. His name is Ace. Ito lang naman yung kinita niya yesterday. Yesterday, September 2, no? Guys, imagine today's result of my scalping using the sniper strategy. 356,000 lang naman in just 1 day. Pwede ba palakpakan natin yan? And imagine guys, if you've seen our launching last Sunday, zero knowledge. Zero knowledge. After a month or 2, ito na yung result niya ngayon. And yung sniper strategy na sinasabi ko sa inyo, habulin nyo na kasi isi-share yan ni Coach Nars probably this Saturday. Kaya be sure, no? Dalawa talaga yung pinaka-identity or pinaka-hidden strategy ng community natin, guys. Yung kay Abdallah, tsaka ito, yung sniper strategy ni Coach Nars na I'm pretty sure yung i-enroll nyo in 1 month, wag nyo munang isipin yan kasi surely if aaralin nyo lang to, bawing-bawi yan. Okay? Now, another bonus. Gusto nyo pa ba? Okay, another bonus. Good news kasi once you just message the person or the page na I joined the webinar, again, do not chat here, but kindly please message the person or the page na nag-send sa inyo ng link na to. Tell them I joined the webinar. Again, chat them, tell them that you joined the webinar kasi libre po namin din kayong i-add sa free GC natin, okay? And you will meet our community there as well, no? So sobrang galing lang kasi yung community natin, guys, talagang nagtutulungan, nag-e-enjoy, yun po yung nangyayari dito online and offline. And as well as kung nag-message ka ngayon and na-add ka sa GC, you will be given the chance, guys, to attend later. Later na pala dito sa Pinas kasi Thursday na. Okay, ito. 2-day challenge, Forex for beginners, Thursday 10 p.m. and Friday 10 p.m. This is open for everyone. Okay? So make sure na nasa GC ka. Okay? Kasi doon namin isi-send yung details for you to attend this 2-day challenge for beginners. Alright? So I hope everyone is learning. Eto guys, dagdag ko na lang. What will happen to you if you subscribe? Probably, no? And soonest, you will earn at least ganito na tayo guys. $18,000 in just 1 month. Imagine guys, she is a registered nurse by profession. Imagine. Also, another thing, papakita ko din sa inyo, sino yung partner natin when it comes to nation building, no? Isa lang naman to, guys. Papakita ko sa inyo. Uy, meron nang nagtatanong how to pay. I will answer that later, guys. No? Okay, nag-loading siya. Guys, kasama po natin si Senator Manny Pacquiao in really building this community na to really share to each families, no? Na matuto at hindi na tayo ma-scam pa kasi alam na natin this time, no? And reminder na lang din, you still want to earn in trading. Pero ayaw mong magbigay or mag-invest para aralin to. Ito lang yung reminder ko sa inyo. Okay. Hindi pa din siya nagpi-play. I don't know what seems to be wrong with this. Pero sabi ni President
Huwag mong
Fico,
subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
ayan, humabol talaga siya.
Huwag mong
Ulitin ko, guys.
subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
Guys, I tell you, galing na kami dyan. Wag mong susubukan na mag-trade na wala kang alam. Para kang nagda-drive lang niyan na hindi mo, meron kang Ferrari, pero hindi mo alam paano imaneho. Again, 95% of the new traders fail because of insufficient education and knowledge. Eto guys, last na lang to. Ano ko sa inyo? Ayan. Okay, hindi nakikisama lahat ng mga videos ko ngayon Anyways, si Miss Marichu guys, she's already I think early 50s na from Cebu, who works at a certain security agency. Talagang walang knowledge, walang idea, pero kumita pa din dito. Again, success comes to those who get up and take action. Marami sa atin dito gustong matuto, gustong kumita ng malaki, gustong pasukin itong mundo ng forex trading, but not everyone takes action. Kaya I highly recommend guys to really learn this. 'Di ba? Nagdo-doctorate nga tayo, nagma-masters, nagba-bachelor's degree. This is something that is not taught in school. This time, let's take accountability. na tayo matuto. Excited ako na i-share to sa kapatid ko, sa kamag-anak ko, everyone around me na at least this time hindi na sila masa-scam. Kasi galing ako diyan at naramdaman ko din yung feeling diyan. Para magtanong sila, alam na din nila this time. Okay? So, may mga questions I'll entertain, no? Na-scam po ako kahapon. I'm sorry, but it's alright, no? Galing tayo diyan, that's a wake-up call for you to really learn this. Okay, 'di ba? Kaysa ma-scam ka pa ng ilang libo diyan, aralin mo na lang sa sarili mo. 'Di ba? So, guys, imagine if mag-start ka ngayon, kamusta kaya yung Christmas mo? 'Di ba? Ready ka na ba magbakasyon kasama pamilya mo, hindi ka nag-aalala sa pera kasi alam mo na kung paano, 'di ba? So, sa mga nagtatanong, feel free to ask. Sabi dito ni Miss or Mr. Percy, ano po ang platform ng trading? We use MT5, MetaTrader 5. You can do your due diligence sa MetaTrader 5. That's the most and widely used by the traders po when it comes to forex trading. Also, sa mga gustong mag-enroll, kindly message the person or the page na nag-send sa inyo ng link na to. May naka-assign na po na coaches sa inyo. Okay? Now, another thing, iba po ba yung aside from the $159, iba din po ba yung sa capital ng trading? Yes. Ito po yung flow, okay? On the first 2 weeks nyo, aaralin nyo po muna. Foundations, basics, backtesting. Backtesting means practicing the strategies that we've taught you, okay? Now, ang gagawin po natin dyan, demo muna. Or kahit 1 month or 2 months mag-demo kayo, walang problema yun. Ang good thing doon is live charts pero demo yung money. Again, live charts pero demo yung pera. Okay? So, totoo siya, yung pera pa lang hindi. But that's really safe kasi pinapractice mo pa yung mga strategies. But if you are already confident on the 3rd, 4th week, you can do live already. Okay? Pero priority mo muna na mag-enroll ka para alam mo na this time. Okay? Ayan, may mga nag-share na ng mga experience nila sa scam nila, di ba? Sabi ko nga guys, aanin mo yung $159 na matuto ka kaysa mas-scam ka pa ng mas malaki. Coach, bago ka maka-start mag-trade, bukod sa government ID, need ba yung proof of billing? Okay, very good question. Sa government ID guys, mga ganyan, that's the part of the broker. Actually, sa demo, hindi pa yan hahanapin. So, makakapag-aral ka pa. If you are already confident enough, yes, kahit anong ID, passport, license, pwede yan. Tapos sa proof of billing, mas papadaliin natin. Pwede sedula, pwede kang magpakuha ng sedula, picturean lang kung OFW ka, or GoTime. Si GoTime po, kahit depositohan mo yan ng 100 pesos, may app yan, tapos may bank statement yan na feature na automatic mag-i-email sa'yo, tapos ang mangyari dyan, that is accepted by VT Markets as proof of billing. So, napapadali na natin. How much po ulit yung babayaran after 1 month? You can start with $159 if you want to continue, no? Or kung pumaldo ka na, $99 na lang po after. Okay? Yung enrollment po, either Elite Pack or Gold Pack yung enrollment. Yes, but I would suggest you can go naman for Elite Pack muna. No? Enjoy it muna kasi that is really perfect for beginners. And meron na din siyang Hero 30. Okay? Sad to say, yeah, may mga story na ganito. I hope, guys, na we will learn from this. No, ito yung mga experience. Learn from the people na nagkamali na. Don't learn from your mistake. Learn from other people's mistake. Okay? Requirements for opening of account, any IDs, government IDs, tapos proof of billing. Pero wag nyo munang isipin yon. Do not yet complicate everything. Kasi magsisimula ka pa sa demo. Useless yung may live account ka na, tapos wala ka pa namang idea kung paano. Okay? Thankful ako, nakita ko to. Yan. It's really, really nice, no? Na marami tayong natutulungan din. Chatting on Messenger, kaka-join lang po few days ago. Welcome, welcome, sir. Kung meron hindi maintindihan sa lessons, pwede pong magtanong, coach. Yes, no? Eto guys, we just wanna be clear. What we're offering to you is not a one-on-one coaching. Hindi ka po tatawagan ng coach mo tapos mag-video call. No. Everything is already set. May cheat codes na, may Google Docs na, step by step na. Magchat-chat-chat lang kayo. Okay? However, you will be given an opportunity to ask. Meron tayong group page sa Hero 30. Pwede kang mag-post doon sa concern mo. May Zoom live tayo. Pwede kang magtanong doon. And, eto lang, i-highlight ko. Bonus na din po na magme-message kayo sa specific coaches nyo na i-assist din po nila kayo. Okay? Pero sa sobrang dami din kasi, I hope you understand na hindi po kaya ng 24/7 yung coach nyo nagising, no? As long as free na yan, as long as vacant na yan, kasi may sariling buhay din yan, no? May anak yan, may pamilya yan, may church yan, may negosyo din yan. As long as free na yan, within 24 to 48 hours, bonus na din po talaga magre-reply yung mga coaches natin. Yung mga coaches natin, may mga admin pa yan na mag-a-assist sa inyo. So, in as much, no, lahat ng yon pwede, no? May GC pa, pwede ka rin magtanong sa GC if ever, okay? So, magkano yung Hero 30? Hero 30 is $900, $99, sorry. But once you are enrolled sa $159, free na po si Hero 30. So, take advantage of it, no? Kaysa naman mag-Hero 30 ka ngayon, tapos nagandahan ka later on kasi iba yung VIP, magbabayad ka na naman. So, doble-doble na, 'di ba? Meron dito nagsabi, willing to start $159. That's good, no? Ito yung mga gusto kong tao who really takes action. Coach, are you sharing din po strategies? Yes, I've been telling that Sir Ray, no? May mga certain strategies talaga tayo aside from the general knowledge. Isa diyan is si XAU Sniper, yung scalping strategy ni Abdallah din, okay? Kayo na po mag-convert kasi hindi ako familiar magkano yung palitan ngayon. Okay, nakita ko lang sa FB sino yung i-chat ko po. I-chat nyo kung sino yung nagbigay sa link na to. Hindi po ako yung i-chat nyo kasi alam ko kung sino lang yung naka-assign sa akin. Paano po mag-deposit sa platform if ever mag-live na? Don't worry kasi kasama yan, may tutorial na. Tuturuan ka din namin. Okay? Okay, sino pa? Ayan, complete na po ba? Magkano? Okay, nakita ko lang sa FB. Okay. Ayan, I think I've already answered everything. Paano po mag-start? Kindly please message the person or the page na nag-send sa inyo ng link na to because they will be guiding you. May instructions po step by step on how you will enroll. Alright? Kaya thank you so much guys. I hope you learned something tonight and sana po marami pa tayong matulungan na mga Pinoy na matuto this time para at least tayo din yung mga magtuturo sa mga mahal natin sa buhay. Alright? Pero may mga humahabol pa na tanong, can I join the 2 days challenge? Yes, you can. Just message the person para ma-add kayo sa GC. Coach, kung mag-enroll po ako ngayon at kukunin ko yung 159, ibig sabihin ba 159 yung babayaran ko? Yes, 159 lang kasi libre na si $99. Okay? So, grabe to. Ang ganda ng mga nag-a-attend ngayon. Very, very willing to learn. I'm really happy, guys. See you tomorrow, ha? See you tomorrow. Maraming salamat po sa atin. God bless po. Can we pay in peso? Automatic po yan. Automatic magde-deduct dun kung ano yung mode of payment niya. Alright? So, thank you guys. Thank you. God bless po sa ating lahat.